Hello, we're looking at some very stormy weather prospects in the days ahead, and no part of the UK is set to be spared. For Sunday, it's all about Storm Ciara. The Metal Fists have already issued amber warnings for England and Wales for severe gales, but I think there's a possibility that that warning will be extended to cover parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Here's Ciara on the pressure chart, tightly packed isobars indicating no strong winds, some heavy rain sweeping across the UK as well. In terms of the winds for Sunday, 60 to 80 miles per hour across England and Wales. In terms of peak gusts, similar for Northern Ireland, perhaps though 85 miles per hour plus possible across the central belt of Scotland, particularly late afternoon, early evening. Wet start, the more persistent rain moves out of the way, but the showers pack in, heavy squally with hail and thunder, and the isobars just squeeze through the late afternoon into the early evening, and that is what's likely to produce that peak in the winds. Further south, of course, it's windy, there's plenty of rain around. There could be a few drier and brighter interludes in between times, but they will be very short-lived. High tides and with the strong winds means coastal upwelling and coastal flooding is possible. The rain itself could give some local flooding, but the winds are the greatest concern. Why have we got such a nasty low? Thanks to this bend in the jet stream known as a left exit. It's a development area. That moves out of the way, but even on into the week ahead, we stay plumbed in to this motorway of the jet stream from the Atlantic. So more unsettled weather to come. And we also sit on the northern side or the polar side of the jet. So we'll be moving into some colder air for Monday. So plenty of showers in our forecast as we approach the new week. Cold air as well, and still pretty strong winds too, perhaps a notch down on those in association with Ciara, but a notable wind chill and gales possible in exposure. And the showers feeding in pretty thick and fast to parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England could mean some significant accumulations of snow. And don't forget, with those winds, it will mean blizzard conditions possible as well. Further south, a mixture of sunny spells and showers. Monday into Tuesday, we continue with a cutting northwesterly wind, perhaps a band of more organised showers actually pushing into Scotland and Northern Ireland. So again, there will be that threat of greater accumulations of snowfall here. To the south, some occasional showers. Again, could be a little bit wintry though, even across the higher ground of South Wales. But in the sunshine to the south, it will still feel cold thanks to the chill of that northwesterly wind. On into Wednesday, well, almost blink and you'll miss it, but there is a little ridge of high pressure just drifting across the UK. Still showers to come in the northwesterly wind, particularly for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but the winds on Wednesday out of the next few days will be the lightest, I think, that possibly we'll see actually through the week ahead, because look out here towards the Atlantic, there's our next area of low pressure that will come rolling through on Thursday. So Thursday, again, another windy day, and there'll be some heavy rain around at times too. By Friday, possibly something a little bit quieter once again. High pressure building. Here's the jet towards the end of the week, sitting to the north of the UK. That could allow high pressure to build. For the weekend, moving further ahead though, we're back to where we started. It could get stormy again as we go into the following week.